Climb that? You want to climb that?
I don't know. It's pretty funny, man.
Is it? Let me just look.
Pretty damn steep.
Let me just look real quick. Let's just look at it. Steeper than it looks on film.
Yeah, it's a lot steep.
So close. Fuck! Alan, would you mind pulling me out, buddy? You can hook up to my tiger tail. This is as far as I got right here. Keep on coming, keep on coming, keep on coming. Come on, come on, come on. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. About another 2 feet. All right. Perfect. You got it in low, right? Yeah. All right, let me make sure I got it in reverse. Yes, sir. Yep. Thank you, sir. I found a way. Problem. There you go, top. There you go. That was fun. Oh. Okay. do it? Very nice. Damn. Holy shit. That's crazy. This looks like a nice spot if you want to rip around or do anything stupid.
Yeah. I got to start being conservative.
Oh, we're like 5 minutes from camp. We can head back whenever.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, then,
Oh shit. Right? That was freaking nice. I like that. That's going in the video. How'd y'all go across? Where'd y'all go across? Is that your boot over there? I'm gonna hook us both up. Woo! You need to clean out your tiger tail. It's a little dirty. Yep. Good. Joe was getting scared there for a second. He thought we were gonna be stuck forever again.
There's definitely a little drop off down there.
Yeah.
Just goes just like straight up the Thanks, sir.
No problem, buddy.
Yeah. Well, I was trying to ease in on it, and I just kind of felt the front end go down. Oh no.
My poor tiger tail, man. Let's go. Yeah. What's up, buddy?
What's going on, young man?
What the hell are you doing out here?
Bitch, I've been out here.
For real?
Yeah.
Did you never see me?
I sent you a text message. You didn't respond, and I cried.
Shut the hell up.
I cried. I sent you a text message.
Shut the hell up.
You know the only thing wrong with this?
What?
He lost his key.
I didn't know you was out here.
Yes, sir.
He lost his key.
Right
That's
now?
why I
Just
pulled.
now?
Ain't no, huh?
Right now you lost your key?
Oh,
Back up. You know the water trails you like going through?
Yeah.
He flipped sideways. and his key fell out.
Oh shit.
That's the only reason I'm towing him, and I started overheating, so I had to stop.
Oh, so I see something coming out too. God.
I told you Pop ass was gonna be out here. But yeah, you didn't respond to my text.
Let me get Justin stickers. They're crying. Get the hell out of this shit. Broke my damn axle earlier.
Front, back.
Front one.
Front.
I was stuck nasty. If I put my locker on, yeah.
You know, if I was with you, I'd pull you out of anything.
That shit was freaking bad.
What was that? Where was it?
It was in some washout. It was freaking nasty. Like we stepped in there, went up to my waist, and it was just that really not compacted
Dinosaur
mud.
shit?
Yeah, it was freaking bad. I think we were there for like 3 hours. They had like 4 or 5 bikes trying to get me.
Fuck you, Pop.
Let me scoot up here real quick.
That's definitely coolant, though.
Do y'all need some? Yeah, that's coolant.
Yeah.
Oh damn, that shit's all boiled out of there. You want me to pull them back the rest of the way?
Yeah, I mean, it's just right down there.
Yeah,
but
that shit's freaking hot as shit.
Is it?
Just that.
Yeah.
Where's your radiator? Right there? You want some water to pour in there? Or you got water in there?
I don't have water in there, but that's not too hot.
That little bitty thing right there will blow that cap hard.
Oh, yeah, when it's hot, yeah.
No, even though it's warm.
What's that?
You need a beer too?
Oh no, I don't drink, thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, Carlos doesn't drink.
I served the rest of the people.
That's why we're going back to camp, because I might be able to pull him back. I don't know, maybe. I can try it.
He's big.
I know.
Right now I'm setting it 264, that's what it says. That's way hot.
You wanna, are you in limp mode right now?
No, I didn't go in limp mode. I turned it off before limp mode.
Because you can, I mean, for that all that coolant, the cycle and everything, you got it running, right?
Yeah, 262.
When's it safe to turn back on?
I don't know. I mean, you know, look at this, Carlos. I mean, my you know how it has the heat light? It ain't even on.
Is it supposed to be on yet?
It would be on if it's overheating.
Oh shit. Go
Hold the brake, Mark.
put the
Donald, if we get,
We'd find it out. Hold it in,
I don't
man.
know.
put it in friggin' neutral or something, rev it up so we can get that water cycling.
Battery dead or something? Or just...
No, he's just overheating. He flipped it, he rolled over in the water or something, and he lost his key.
I got you. You want me to pull him the rest of the way?
It's up to, let me see what Drunk Don says.
Let's see if it cycles.
Oh shit.
Oh, it died, yeah.
It's too hot.
Hey, I can pull him the rest of the way. That's no big deal.
You don't mind?
No.
All right. Well, hey.
Yeah, it'd probably be best.
Yeah,
That's what I'm thinking.
yeah, otherwise it's gonna be my little Honda. I don't know if my little Honda can make it there. Shit. Hey, well, you don't got brakes in this thing or what?
It ain't in park, it's in neutral.
God damn.
Yeah, I got brakes.
You sure?
What are you doing with that beer in your
I
hand?
don't drink this.
I know.
I was about to spend it. No, I wouldn't spend it. You know I wouldn't do that, buddy.
But yeah,
So you can't move at all, huh? Right now?
let it cool down, yeah. I mean, I already pulled my friend, you know, the Ranger, the 16 high lifter,
Yeah.
the orange one. I pulled him back, it didn't overheat one bit. I don't know why it's overheating for him. But like I said, I did go up that clay hill, and
Yeah.
I was struggling up that clay hill. Why is your ball upside down?
Get more clearance.
I tried pulling it off.
I guess this thing is
But
even
it's
there.
rusted there. Oh,
Oh shit.
yeah.
You don't want to hook onto these things, I guess.
That's fine. Go for it.
I mean, it's whatever you think. I don't want to mess. I don't want to.
I mean, if it's not stuck, that ain't gonna hurt on the tip.
Yeah,
Sure.
that'd be okay.
All right.
I mean, if anything, I've got a long rope right here that we can neutral all together. I mean, long nylon thick rope.
Whatever you think, brother.
I'm good if y'all are good.
You're good with pulling your winch. Okay.
You okay with pulling going on your winch?
Yeah.
3 hours. What's that? No, I was earlier. There's no bottom at all. It was in a bad spot. Nobody could get me in a good angle.
That's why you should have been with Big Bitch.
Oh, you would have been stuck too. You would have gone through it first and got stuck worse. Yeah, you would have.
Dude, it like had no bottom.
Zero.
Just gum.
I went out there to try and help, get to where I could tow him out. I stepped off the bike and soaked in there. I was
Yeah.
like, holy shit.
I was 20 minutes trying to fight.
Took
Yeah,
me 30 minutes just to get out and
Yeah.
get myself unscrewed.
I couldn't even lift my legs up with all the mud after the end of it. It's bad. Can you move yours out the way real quick, Don, or no? Where you start?
I can put it in neutral.
Let me get this. Hold on.
Where's your
Here. Here.
The cooler?
Don't forget that.
Well, we're just gonna move out of the way so he can pull forward.
You got enough room to turn it and shit?
Yeah.